students. So, tired? Again and again ma'am coming and saying chapter this, part this. We have to study now these topics. Isn't it? Some of you will say, I know. Okay, no problem. Today, we will have a moral story. Now you are at home, you are coming in concern with your parents, with other elders at home and your younger brother, sisters, all your siblings. Okay, so I wanted to say one thing, that always be polite with everybody. Have this habit of saying words like please, sorry, thank you. I know they will have great impact on your life. Let us see a story regarding this. I think you will learn in a better way about the importance of these very good words in your life. The title of my story is Be Polite. Now, there was a boy named Harry. He was angry little fellow. He was often very rude with all the people around him. His teacher, parents always instructed him that be polite with others. Use the words sorry, thank you, please whenever you have to say something to anybody. Don't be rude with anyone. Always he was instructed by his teachers and parents. हमेशा उसको बोलते रहते थे कि आपको प्लीज, थैंक यू, सॉरी ये वर्ड्स यूज करने चाहिए. बट वो किसी की भी नहीं मानता था. जब भी उसको किसी से कोई चीज लेनी होती एकदम से उठा लेता था उनकी चीजें. एंड ही नेवर सेड दैट प्लीज गिव मी योर इरेजर or pencil, whatever he wanted, he just take it and walk away. Once he was playing with his cat in his garden. An old woman came and asked for a way to somebody's house. She said, "Can you please tell me the way to this particular house?" "But can't you see, old woman," he said, "that I am playing with my cat?" So very rude. इतनी रूडली बात की उसने ओल्ड वुमेन से कि तुम देख नहीं सकती मैं अपनी कैट से प्ले कर रहा हूं. अब ओल्ड वुमेन ने जब ये सुना, She was amazed कि कैसे बोल रहा है ये. Then she said, "From now onwards, whatever rude things you will speak, then a scar will appear on your face. You will be getting a scar." जब भी तुम कुछ गलत बात करोगे तब हमेशा तुम्हारे मुंह पे कोई ना कोई स्कार आ जाएगा. Then he continued playing with his cat. Suddenly, cat flung its paw and made a scar on his forehead. देखा, अभी ओल्ड वुमेन ने कहा था और अभी उसको ये स्कार मिल गया. Now, it so happened that couple of boys were playing outside. कुछ बच्चे बाहर खेल रहे थे, जैसे आपको दिख ही रहा है यहाँ पर, ठीक है. Their ball, it fell into the Harry's house. They came to get it. He said, "Look, here comes you blind squad. If you boys can't see your ball and can't keep it in control, why you play? Hearing this, two of the boys climbed the outhouse and they punched the Harry in his face. Then he got another scar on his face. So this was happening again with him in that period of time only. So he went inside, and when his mom saw him, she said that, what happened? How you got these scars? Then Harry again said very badly to her mother, go to your kitchen and do work there. And then he rushed towards his bathroom to wash his face, and this time he hit his nose. At night, when the entire family was having their dinner, Harry asked his little brother, hey retarded, उसको बहुत बुरी तरह से गंदी तरह बोला, give me that fork little Tom. Means इतनी गंदी तरह बोलता था वो. He was very very rude with everybody. But the moment Harry ate with that fork, he cut his lips. Look, what have you done, idiot? फिर भी अपने लिटिल ब्रदर को वो बोलने लगा रूडली कि तुमने मेरे लिप्स पे ये स्कार बना दिया, ये कट बना दिया. Then he was running in hurry and then slipped from the stairs and then got hurt again. Then his mom and dad became so worried about him that what has happened to Harry. But none of them had the courage to talk with him because he was always rude. Harry was very much worried now that what has happened. When he saw his face in the mirror, he started thinking about the whole thing, what has happened with him, that he was angry that every time he said something wrong, something rude, it hurt him. Suddenly, at his his door, it was his father. With tears in his eyes, Harry said that, please dad, leave me. क्योंकि वो अभी सोच रहा था कि उसके साथ क्या क्या हुआ. It seemed that Harry had realized something, and now he was tired of being rude, getting punished every time. Suddenly, he realized that one of the scars that went away as he uttered, please. Harry realized that of course that he will now be a changed boy. The next morning, he was having a new life at all. He talked politely with everyone and with very good words like please, thank you, sorry. And that evening, when he was in his garden, he saw the old lady again and rushed towards him and said, thank you, ma'am. The old lady smiled and said, I hope you won't do that again and you will not forget this lesson. I think now you learned from this story the importance of these words like please, sorry, thank you in our life, and you have to promise me now that you will be very polite with the people around you, be it be your father, your mother, your siblings, whether elder brother sister or younger brother sister, or your grandparents, whosoever is there at home. Okay, be polite with them. They will also respect you for that. Okay, thank you beta.